As with MACD, the MACD histogram is also designed to identify convergence, divergence, and crossovers. The MACD histogram, however, is measuring the distance between MACD and its signal line. The histogram is positive when MACD is above its signal line. Positive values increase as MACD diverges further from its signal line, to the upside, and decrease as MACD and its signal line converge. The MACD histogram crosses the zero line as MACD crosses below its signal line. The indicator is negative when MACD is below its signal line. Negative values increase as MACD diverges further from its signal line, to the downside. Conversely, negative values decrease as MACD converges on its signal line. Chart on the screen shows a stock with MACD and the MACD histogram. A bearish signal line crossover occurred in late September, turning the MACD histogram negative. A bullish signal line crossover occurred in early December, turning the MACD histogram positive for the rest of the month. There was a period of divergence as MACD moved further from its signal line. Look at the green line. And a period of convergence as MACD moved closer to its signal line. Look at the red line.